Hi there, it's Clive here again. I've got another food replacement meal review for you, and it's powder matter again. Check out my other video on powder matter where we looked at their meal replacement shake, which is similar to the other meal replacement shakes I've tried before. Today we're going to be trying their Nutmania, which is a vegan option, and it's sort of powered by nuts, as it were. The company powdermatter.com is very new company set up by Dirk in the Netherlands, and I believe Dirk was a former trauma surgeon. I knew he was a doctor because I couldn't read his handwriting. Dr. Joe there. Anyway, but he set up this company to try to create really healthy meal replacement shakes, and this is the sort of nut-based one. And if we check out what's sort of in this. Perfect distribution of ingredients according to the latest evidence-based insights, published by the European Food and Safety Authority. High in protein, 30 grams of proteins in a serving. Complex carbohydrates, you've got buckwheats, almonds and linseed. The ingredients here, buckwheat meal, soy protein isolate, almond meal, linseed meal, vegan vitamin and mineral mix. So that's the sort of all the vitamins that your essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Sunflower lecithin and natural aroma rosemary extract, and the sweetener here is sucralose. So as I say, it's no added sugar in here. It's high fiber because of the nuts, obviously, and you're getting essential fats because there's lots of almonds in here, and they're essentially fatty to supply you with enough of your daily fats that you need. So if you're vegan and you want to get into meal shakes, then a sort of a nut-based one may be a good option for you. So without further ado, let's give it a try. Okay, so here I am. I've blitzed it in the old NutriBullet, of course, and it does say if you want a more smooth consistency because of the nuts, so give it a good blitz. If you like it slightly thicker, so the Bertrand that I've had, it's got some sort of nuts in it that I seem to remember, but it made it sort of slightly crunchy. It was quite nice texture. So it's really blitz it to the texture you want. In terms of the powder, it looks very similar to a lot of the other powders. Very finely milled. Not that you can see that there, but sort of there. But the smell, I love peanutty things, so I love Reese's. I love Reese's and the peanuts and stuff like that. So it has a strong nutty smell, and I do like sort of things with a nutty smell. So I'm looking forward to tasting this. And as I say, it is a vegan option, really. I mean, it's you know, perfect for vegans. It's got that really nice, strong smell of the nuts, which is really nice. Yeah, it doesn't have a very strong taste to it, but the smell, you know, taste is always a combination, obviously, what's going on in the tongue, but also the smell. And it's the smell of the nuts makes it very pleasant. It recommended 500 mils to 100 grams of the powder, and then slightly less water if you want a slightly thicker consistency. I think the consistency is all right. I might be tempted to do slightly less because, as I say, there isn't an overpowering taste to this, but there is a very strong smell. Pleasant smell, that is. I don't want to just leave it hanging in there like that smell. A strong nutty smell, but taste-wise, there's nothing overpowering in here. It is quite a lot. So if you're going for pure taste, or you like a strong vanilla-y taste or a nutty taste, then that's not here, but there's nothing sort of not to like about the actual taste of the drink. It's a bit tastes like sort of, you know, water really, but with a slight flavour of sweetness and stuff. It's not an overpowering, there's no sort of sickly sweetness, and then there's a pleasant smell of nuts that makes it sort of work all right. So, and this consistency is really smooth, I must admit. I mean, for considering it's nuts, it's been blitzed well. One of the other things I've noticed is the texture is not swelling up. So a lot of the meal replacement shakes I have, they sort of swell up over a period of time, the sort of the thickness of it, the consistency, which is quite good if you know, it makes you feel satiated. This is this doesn't feel a thin consistency, but I'm not getting that sort of the swelling up taste, which I think is probably to do with the oats in other drinks and stuff. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, it's not a taste sensation in any stretch of the imagination, but it's perfectly pleasant. But I do like the nutty smell. I can imagine if you do a sort of chocolatey version of this, you know, put some sort of chocolate flavouring in here or something like that, and then the smell of nuts, boom, I'm there. It'd be like drinking sort of Reese's. That's what I'm imagining. Dirk, make that happen. That's what I'm saying to you. But there you go. Okay, just to say, so they've got the Vegan Matters one here, the Nutmania. This is the Nutmania. He does a wake-up one, so actually he does one with coffee. I should try that one, the coffee one. 5 meals, 1 bag, $2.50 a meal. So $2.50 a meal. I mean, I'd say it's in the mid-range price-wise, and you're getting 400 calories in one meal. You know, that's not bad, and I guess the more you have, the price might go down. What if you'd ordered? Yeah, no. You know, so it's not bad for us to say, not bad for a startup. And there are cheaper things. You know, the Huel is cheaper and stuff, but they've got a much bigger market at the moment. But generally, you know, give them a check out, especially if you're vegan. I'm not a vegan, but if you are a vegan and you're looking for a sort of a meal replacement that's sort of based on natural ingredients and stuff like that, then this could be an option for you, as it's sort of a nut-based option. So check it out, powdermatter.com. They are a new startup, bear with them, as they're sort of experimenting with new flavours and drinks and bars, etc. And I'll be doing a look at some bars, which they haven't branded at all yet, but I'll be doing a taste test of those later. If you've not hit the subscriber button, please do. It'd be really great. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm loving all the comments that I get. So hit the likes, hit the subscribe. If you like this video, that's really great. Thank you for watching, and look out for more to come very shortly.